In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a full screen background image to your WordPress site. Adding a stunning background can completely transform the look and feel of your website, making it more visually appealing to visitors. So let's dive right in and get started with these simple steps. First, you'll need to log in to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Appearance menu on the left-hand sidebar and click on Customize. This will open the WordPress Customizer, which is a powerful tool for making changes to your site's appearance and layout. Within the Customizer, look for the option labeled Background Image. This is typically found under the Colors or Background section, depending on your theme. Clicking on this option will allow you to upload a new image to use as your background. Go ahead and click on Select Image to grab the file from your computer. Make sure that the image you're using is large enough to fit across the entire screen. Resolution images around 1920 by 1080 pixels usually work well for full screen applications. Once you've chosen and uploaded your image, you'll see a preview in the Customizer. Now, it's important to get the settings right. The first setting to adjust is the image position, which affects how the image is aligned on the screen. Try setting it to Center so that the focal point of the image stays in the middle of the screen. Next, you'll want to set the image size to Cover. This setting ensures that the image stretches to fill the entire screen without distorting the proportions. This makes it look good on both large and small displays. You can also experiment with the Repeat and Attachment settings, but typically for a full screen background, you'll want the Repeat set to No Repeat and the Attachment set to Fixed. This keeps the background image stable so that it doesn't scroll with the rest of your website content, providing a more professional appearance. Once you've configured these settings and you're happy with the preview, don't forget to click Publish at the top of the Customizer. This action saves your changes and makes the background visible to all your site visitors. And there you have it, a full screen background to make your WordPress site come alive. It's a straightforward process, and with the right selection of images, you can create a visually compelling atmosphere that's sure to captivate your audience. Feel free to tweak these settings until you get the exact look you're going for, and don't hesitate to experiment with different images and styles. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing!